Hi guys, in this video I'll show that how we can enable or disable hibernation with the help of our registry editor. So for those people who don't know what hibernation means, so just think that when you are imagine that you are putting the computer to sleep. So what happens at that time is that all the programs which are running on the background or were working on, they will be stored in RAM, and thus it will keep on drawing the power continuously to keep the RAM running. But instead, if you turn on the hibernation mode, what will happen is that all the programs which you were working on will get stored on the hard disk. So whenever you just turn on or power on your laptop once again, it will simply push the contents from the hard disk to the RAM. Thus, the power which it requires will be less rather than when you have put your laptop on sleep. So enough of the theory stuff, let's dive into it. So in order to do it, press the Windows plus R, and then you can uh, like then you can press the run, after which you have to type regedit, and once you have done this, then press yes, after which now you need to go to control current control set slash control and then power. So once you do this, here you can find we have Hibernate enabled. So just click on this, and now you need to check that the value data for this should be 1 and it shouldn't be 0. And now you can click OK. And after you have clicked OK, you can just close this. Like if you don't find where it is, you can check that it is in this. When you navigate to this, you will find this option. So after you close this, just remember to restart your laptop. So if your bit was 0 and you have changed it to 1, don't forget to restart your laptop once again. So after you have restarted, and I won't be restarting since I had already changed it to 1. So now what you need to do is you need to go to the control panel, and now type power, and in that choose this change what the power buttons do, and after that click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And after that, now you have the option of these options, and under the shutdown settings, just okay, let me show you that before this I don't have hibernate option here. So once I do that, I enable the hibernate button and save changes, just close it, and now you can see that I have the hibernate option available here. So this is the way in which you can enable hibernate in your laptop. And if you want to disable it, you can just uncheck that box which I had checked earlier, and also you can change the value from 1 to 0. So this is the way in which you can turn on or enable hibernation in laptops. So thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.